Hello friends, myself Dr.Hemant Sharma, and today I am going to give you a important trick how to study and how to score excellent rank in Neet PG 2023 examination. So, lot of doctors have queries when is Neet PG 2023. So, till now, according to the updates, your exam is on January. So guys, you have time in your hand. For that, I bring a program for 100 days Neet PG 2023 crash course program. This program is very much helpful and high yield topics were there. Total 500 videos included in this program. 300 videos I provide you on a same day of joining that program. Then every alternate days, one new video. Also, I am going to provide you revision video also. Last 5 days, 3 hour, one single revision video. That is very much helpful. So one video duration is 5 minutes to 10 minutes. They are very high yield topic. So this help you to crack exam. This help you to score excellent rank in exam. So if you are interested, if you want to join, you have a golden opportunity, golden chance, because I explain in a very short manner, like topics like pregnancy-induced hypertension, okay, uterine anomalies, urology surgery, nephrology surgery, every single topic in a one video I explain. Total 500 topics. This help you to score excellent rank in exam, and all 19 subject I cover. So I provide you topic wise video, and the fees is 6,000 rupees. How to join that program? Details in a description of this video, and fees non-refundable, and I provide you video till the end of exam Neet PG 2023. Till that date I provide you, and also I guide you how to score excellent rank, and these are very high yield in a very easy with mnemonics, and I discuss in video previous year MCQ and updated MCQ. All recent updates are there. Minimum 150-180 MCQ directly you are going to receive in exam from this video. Language is different, but pattern is same. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. And WhatsApp number, helpline number is also there. Thank you.